Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make money with piggyvest. Yes, how to make money with piggyvest. If you want to achieve your goal, okay, in making this money, you will have to watch this video to the end. At the end of this video, you'll be able to be making 20,000 naira to 50,000 naira or even 100,000 naira in a month. Believe me, if you put in effort. It's very simple, no stress. Now before I do that, I would like you to click on that red subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to always get notified once I upload a new video. So now let's get into the video. What is piggyvest? Piggyvest is a platform that helps you to save, invest and also make money through referrals. Now we won't focus on the investment or saving part of it. We'll be looking at how to make money with it, like I promise you guys. So you earn 1,000 naira if you get someone to sign up on piggyvest using your affiliate link, and they are able to fund their account with just 1,000 naira. If anybody sign up using your link, you will be able to earn 1,000 naira. Okay, this is the most interesting part of it. Now you will get 1,000 naira commission for referring the person, and the person also gets 1,000 naira for creating an account with piggyvest. So you can see that it's a win-win for you and the person. So we don't have to be selfish in this thing. We have to work together to achieve, so that you not say, if I click now she will earn 1,000 now. What about you? You too, you earn 1,000 now. So you earn, I earn. Okay, it's very simple like that. So now let me quickly get into registration. I want to show you how to register as a new customer. So if you don't have the app, on your phone, you're using an Android phone, go to Play Store and get the app. Type in piggyvest. Type in piggyvest to download the app on your Android phone, or if you are using iPhone, go to Play Store, App Store, and also type in piggyvest and download the app. Now I want to show you how to create a brand new account as a new customer. Though I already have an account with them, but I'm just going to explain everything and show you. Today I signed up with a different account when I was showing someone on how to do that. So I'm just going to put you through now. They say create a secure account. Welcome to the future of savings and investments. Now if they ask for your full name, put your full name. You can put maybe your first name and your last name, or your first name and your middle name, anyone. They say email address, put a valid email address. Okay, your phone number, put your phone number, and then password, create a password that you'll be able to remember. Okay, and then they say referral phone or promo code optional, but if you want to get that 1,000 naira, you will have to put the referral phone or promo code. So if you see referral code here, type in my phone number. I'll write it in the screen boldly for you to see. So type in my phone number here, type it correctly. I'll also put it in the description. Okay, so they'll ask you, how did you find us? Okay, optional. If you like, you can click here to select. Maybe you found them through Facebook. You found them through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or anyhow, just put in something there. So once you are done, you click on create account. When you click on create account, you will see this. It will take you here. Okay, good evening. They may wash your hands. Then I say my hand dirty. So you see it here. You can see everything here is 0 because it's a brand new account. Okay, so for you to get that 1,000 naira, now listen carefully. You can see this to-do list here. This to-do list is what will give you the 1,000 naira. That means I have to log in again. Okay, you guys hold on please. Hold on. So I've logged in again now. So this is the to-do list. Like I said, follow the instruction very well to get your 1,000 naira. Verify your email address. So they will send a message to your email address, and you go there, click and verify the Gmail address. Once you do that, come back to this page and refresh it. If you're using a phone, drag it down like this. You see that it's going to refresh. If you drag it down like this, it will refresh, and this verify your email will disappear. Okay, now when they ask you to add your BVN or NIN, add any of those numbers. If maybe it's your BVN number or NIN, anyone you have as verification, you put it then. Then they say, tell us more about yourself. You can just tell them, maybe I'm a simple person, I know the fight, all this kind, and then they ask you to securely add a valid debit card. Put your debit card there, and then they say set your security question now, so that somebody cannot just use your account to log in and take your money and all that. So they say refer a friend and earn 1,000 bonus. This one that they say refer a friend and earn 1,000 is not the 1,000 that you will get now. No, when you register now, you will get 1,000. So this one is optional for you. If you want, you do that. If you don't want, you leave it. You just get 1,000 and go. So now, once you are done with all of this and refresh the page, all of this will disappear. So in order for you to get that 1,000, you will come to your safe lock. You will go to your safe lock. This is safe lock, and add a minimum of 1,000 naira. They say create a save lock. When you click on it to create a save lock, you can choose how long do you want to lock funds. Select a duration. Now wait, once I'm done with this tutorial, I'm going to show you my own account and show you how I got my 1,000, and I'll show you the proof of the 1,000, so you not think that maybe I'm just misleading you guys. So you choose the day you want, the days you want to your save lock to don't know how to put it. You choose how long you want your money to stay in the save lock. Okay, they say amount, put just 1,000 naira. Don't put less than 1,000 naira. You can put 1,000 or above. Okay, so that you're able to get that 1,000 naira. Then title of save lock, I can say maybe my new look or food. Okay, but me in the other one, I put my new lock, sorry. And then they say set a payback date. The day you want them to, the date you want them to send to pay you the 1,000 naira, you can set it there. They say source of funds, you can select and then click submit. Once you click submit, they will show you where to put your credit card or something. Okay, so now I'm done with that. Let me show you guys my own platform. Just going to duplicate this so that I can log in my main account. Duplicate. So let me go and log out and then log in my main account. So sign in. I'm going to sign in and log in my main account. So I've logged in now. I want to show you guys my own. You can see my to-do list. I did all of those things. Turn on your piggy bank auto save. That's if you want them to be deducting money from your account. You can set the amount, maybe 100 naira, 50 naira as you want. Then save lock 50,000 naira, whatever. I don't want to do that. So I want to show you my 1,000 naira that I did. Okay, that 1,000 naira, my sister sent me the link and I registered through her own link, and then they gave me that 1,000 when I followed all the instructions. So let me go to my save lock and show you. This is my save lock. Okay, this is my save lock. You can see ongoing, there's nothing there, and completed. I want to show you the complete the 1,000 they gave me. So this is it. They say my new save lock. That time if you want to create a save lock account, you will see that's my new lock. So me, I title it my new save lock. Okay, and I put the 1,000 naira and I earned 22.23 naira. So once I put the 1,000 naira, they now gave me the save lock bonus, which is the sign up bonus, which is 1,000 naira, and I earn 1.64 naira. So automatically I had 2,000 plus in my save lock, though they transferred the money to me. So now I want to show you my my piggy bank and then my this thing and my activities there. So you can see my piggy bank here. Everything is the same, it's just the name, don't mind them. So but make sure if you want to put your 1,000 naira, in order to get that 1,000 naira, go to safe lock and put 1,000 naira there in the safe lock. So you can see my transaction, my activities, what I've been doing. I've been saving money there, and also this thing, I've been saving money. You can see I withdrew this because I could not wait for the lock period to reach. Okay, if you save money, maybe you want the money to stay for like 10 days, and then maybe 5 days you want to remove the money, and in order to break the lock, that means they will take 2.5%, 2.5% from your money. I was supposed to withdraw 3,600 naira, but they took percentage, sorry. So that was how I was able to withdraw 3,500 and something naira. Okay, so guys, look at it there. You can see all my savings and all that, what I've been making. I just withdrew those money. So that is the end of the video. You can just sorry, if you want to share your link, for people to also make, and for you to also to make more money, just come here, go to your account. When you go to account, you can see refer and earn 1,000 naira. When you click on it, they'll ask you to copy. You can see me, I've referred 4 people already, so 4,000 naira. Okay, they asked me to migrate referrals now, so this is the 4,000. I don't want to do that now. I want the money to accumulate before I can now withdraw the money. So once you refer people, imagine you refer 10 people a day, that is 10,000 naira already, and you may have to follow them up to put that 1,000. That 1,000, they are not dashing the app, they will give you the money. It's just like verification, a part of the verification also. So you put the 1,000 and they give you the 1,000, that's 2,000 naira already, and then you can withdraw the money to your bank account. You can see that I show you proof of when I withdrew my own money. So I withdrew, I referred 4 people already, and I got 4,000 naira. So if I'm able to refer 50 people and they all pass through the same process, that I've made 50,000 naira already. If I can refer 100 people in a month, I have made 100,000 naira. Depending on you, you have a lot of contacts and you have a lot of friends on Facebook. You tell them about it, and then that is how you just be smiling, because this thing is just cooperation. No be say you go sign up through my link, now only me go dey make am. Now you too go make am, because this one I signed up with my sister's link and I got the 1,000 and she got her own 1,000 naira. Okay, it's as simple as that. Let's help ourselves before you know you achieve your goal. Your Christmas now still, you go just enjoy your Christmas like that, they go. Okay, and thank me later. So please subscribe to the channel and enjoy your Christmas and New Year. Bye.